Hello, my people. I just want to show you how crazy this R1 Life business opportunity is. The business started today, Sunday, the 6th of April 2025. When we said that spillover is real in this business, a lot of people seem not to believe it. So I want to show you my account. I started today. You can see my ID here. Active is showing active, ID status active. My investment, I started with the $10 package. You can see it here. You can see my ID. I'm active. Okay, I actually sent in $11 into the system. So this is what is remaining as balance. Okay, so let me show you what I have been able to earn out of this business that just started just a few hours ago. I will show you something first of all, that people that are using my link to register, I don't think anybody have used my link. Let me see. Let's go to team area. Okay, referrals. Let me check referrals. Direct referrals. Okay. Okay. I have 2 direct referrals, but they have not funded their accounts. Okay. These 2 people have not been able to fund their accounts. Okay. So this is what I have over here. 2 direct referrals is showing 2, but I can assure you that these 2 people, they have not. I have 2 direct referrals here. These 2 people that use my referral link to sign up, they have not activated the account. They have not put in funds. Okay, so the system captures anybody who uses your link to register as a direct referral, whether the person have used whether the person have funded his or her account. Okay, so this is crazy. Guys, this is crazy. Now let's look at the matrix structure. Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? Guys, I have now, look at this. You can see I already have 9 people in my team. I only activated slot 1, which is $10. I have not activated the slot 2 because I have shortage of funds. So I activated just slot 1 and 1 account. I'm just building with it. You can see I already have 9 people. As at the time I checked before I started this video, it was actually 8 people. But right now it's showing 9 people. You can see there. Guys, this is massive. Now let me click on this board itself. You can see everything, how it is going. You can see now, this is what we are talking about. Okay, so you can see, let me explain all of this. Partners, meaning the people that are in the board. I have 9 people in this board right now. 9 people. Okay, you can see the number 1 here is my own ID. This is my ID. These are the 2 directs. These are the 4 that are here. Okay, then this is the last pay line. You can see the pay line that have been activated. So let's count how many people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that already activated. So you can see there, but I have not cycled. You can see the cycle is 0. It is when I have up to when the board totally filled up that you will know that I have actually cycled. Now it's showing something here. Total level revenue, what I have earned 24 USDT already right now as the business started without referring anybody. Guys, this is massive. Guys, don't joke with this opportunity as we are sharing it. This is very, very crazy. R1 Life is the main business of this year 2025 and even beyond. Okay, so don't joke with it. Let me show you something. There is a place you see income reports. Okay, direct income. This is where we will be able to know. Okay, direct income. Okay, somebody have actually been able to activate 1 account. Okay, so that means one of these people that I was talking about has actually, you can see the ID of this person here. Okay, this person have been able to successfully activate his account. So meaning that I have referred one person successfully who used my link to activate, because when somebody uses your link to activate, you earn 20% of that particular package. For instance, this person activated package 1, that is board 1, with $10. So 20% of $10 is $2. You can see that I've actually earned that $2 instantly. And guys, this money you are seeing here has actually gone to my token pocket wallet that I'm using. Okay, we'll go to my wallet and actually confirm. Okay, next we'll see. Okay, let's look at matrix income. Okay, matrix income is showing 0. Okay, let's see something. Let's go to withdrawal history. Withdrawal history, guys, you can see that. Okay, I have withdrawn $24 now, but this withdrawal history, it is not me doing the withdrawal. Everything is automated. This $24 you are seeing here, the system automatically sends it to my wallet immediately. Now check out the dates, guys. Check out the dates here. Check out these dates. Check out the time that I earned this money. Check out the time that I earned this money. Check out the time that I earned this money. Okay, so check out the date. This is 7th of April 2024. Okay, is AM over there. That is actually the time. This one was 4th of 6th of April, 6th of April, then 7th of April. You can see that it's the time are close. Okay, I don't know. I think this is an American company, so it's showing the American time. I don't know the time. Okay, but you can see that all of these things. You can see the time that this money dropped. All this money you're seeing here has actually gone to my wallet. I will show you my wallet right away. You see that this $24 that is saying total withdrawal here is already in my wallet. I've already taken a screenshot of my wallet. So let me show that to you. You will see that's what we are saying. Guys, this business is very, very crazy. This business is very, very crazy. Okay. What other things do we need to look at? Activation area, add fund, no. Okay, no. Okay, my account, edit profile now. Okay, dashboard. Let's just see other things that we need to look at. Okay, but this is very, very crazy, guys. This is very, very crazy. This is very, very crazy. Business I started with. Okay, now look at this. Look at the dashboard. Okay, active. My ID status is showing active. Okay, you can see that. My investment, I started with $10. I've only invested $10 in the business. My wallet balance, oh sorry, my wallet balance is showing investments. Okay, now my wallet balance, let me scroll up. No, okay, direct income, that is direct referrals. I have made $2. That is one person have used my link to actually join the business. My matrix income, I have made $24 from matrix. Then total income, guys, for business that I started with $10, I have actually made total of $26 I have made, guys. This is crazy. 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 Then withdrawal, you can see it's showing withdrawal that $24 has gone to my $24 has gone to my wallet directly, and it's showing balance of $2. Remember that the system is keeping some money to use and activate me in the next board. Okay, the system is keeping some money with which it will activate me in the next $25 board. Okay, so this is it. The system is keeping this money. So guys, this is very, very sweet. Please don't wait. As you are seeing this, go to the description of this video, take my referral link, copy the referral link that is being shown there, and activate your account immediately. Okay, also in the description there, you see my referral, you see my WhatsApp group. Click the WhatsApp group, join my WhatsApp group. You also see my Telegram channel link over there. click the Telegram channel link and join the Telegram link also, so that we'll be giving you proper guidance and proper coaching on how to build this business. You can build this business anywhere you are in this world. Okay, so thank you very much for being with us. Please subscribe to our video, like and share this video to your friends, so that they also will benefit from what you are benefiting. Thank you. See you again in our next video. You're welcome.